I'm Siddharth Coelho-Prabhu. I am the product lead on Toshi, which is CoinBase's user-controlled crypto wallet and dAPP browser.
Great. And so you spoke today. Did you talk about that?
Sure. So I wanted to not focus on the product. What I wanted to do was actually give people a tour of the decentralized web on mobile, because I think most people are used to like using dApps on the web, on the desktop web. But there's this new interface we've created, which is all on mobile, and we're seeing that people really love to like do things like having their cats on their phone, right? And little things like that, right? And so I went through what I thought were 6 or 8 of like the best dApps that we have featured, and took people through what it's like to first buy some crypto and then trade it in for a stable coin or another token, and then go into actually buying a CryptoKitty, and then taking the CryptoKitty to other dApps and either like accessorizing the CryptoKitty or creating a social media profile for the CryptoKitty, or buying a mug that features the CryptoKitty. So there's this whole ecosystem that's been built on top of these collectibles. And then I also gave people a preview of what it's like to how can you earn money on crypto. That's really important. And then a few other things that I thought people would find interesting.
Yeah, it's so important for people to learn the basics of how to use the ecosystem. And actually, a lot of people in the world don't own a desktop.
That's exactly right. So if you look, around the world, most people are spending more time on mobile than they are on web. But then there's some countries where you have, hundreds of millions of people whose only form of access to the internet is via their phone. And if we want to include them in this revolution, it has to be, done via phones. And that's also been our product. It's a really lightweight client. It's only 6 megabytes to install, and it doesn't take too much data, and it just runs seamlessly even on low-end phones. And that was a core part of like our development goal, was to just make something that would work anywhere in any emerging market as well.
That's great.
Yeah.
The web and just everything is decentralizing. You have projects like Storage or Substratum and Golem. They're all decentralizing either computing or storage or something. So it all works together as an ecosystem. Is there anything that you want to say about what fits in well with your clients?
Sure. What we try and do is create like an open developer platform, and a lot of the technical stuff happens on the back end, so that's hidden from the user. What we want to do is actually bring any experience that's being built on the web, as long as it supports Web3, we want to bring that to users. So our goal is like that last mile of creating a great user experience for the users. But there's already, when you look at the underlying technologies, people are building dApps for that already work on Toshi, right? So all of the 0x ecosystem, those dApps all work on Toshi. And we're going to see video clients from LivePeer, for example. We're going to see borrowing clients from Dharma. And all of these underlying protocols that are fairly technical, people will wrap them up in a really easy to use dApP, put them on Toshi, and that's how people will access it.
So people can schedule a transaction with the Ethereum alarm clock right on your client.
Yeah, we should work on that. Exactly. Yeah, we should make that happen.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So where can people go to learn more?
Our website is toshi.org, and we're available in the App Store. And we pride ourselves on having created a really easy to use experience. And so if you want to learn more, just install the app, and it'll walk you through like what Toshi is and guide you through this like new decentralized web.
And I can play with my CryptoKitty there.
Play with your CryptoKitty there. Exactly. Yeah.
Great. Thank you for speaking at the conference, and thank you for speaking with us.
Thank you so much.